What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Tesla recently, they're focusing pretty heavily on the battery section than the car section, which is a pretty good thing. And you got Morgan Stanley out there previously saying how Tesla's side hustles, like the battery branch, the autopilot branch, will eventually in the next few years make more money than Tesla's car manufacturing branch, which is pretty funny since Tesla essentially began as a car company, wanted to make cool looking electric vehicles, but now there's a major shift from just making electric vehicles to more of a battery company, because batteries now will be the next gold rush and Tesla is way ahead of the competition. If you check out other car companies right now, they're really focused on trying to make their next electric vehicle. A lot of them have forgotten to really research with batteries, and they really rely on third-party battery companies like QuantumScape in the future to supply them with good batteries. And that's a big no-no in my books, because Tesla eventually just makes everything themselves, and because it makes such good batteries, they eventually started thinking, maybe we'll just sell the batteries just by themselves and make a bunch of money that way. And with this massive lithium shortage going on, Tesla is securing their own boatload of lithium, and they are really ahead of the pack. In fact, I feel like their battery technology is probably 3 to 4 years ahead of your typical electric car company. Like right now, Mercedes, Ford, those guys are trying to research their own cars and also own batteries, but they're really far behind. Right now, Tesla is getting a massive price upgrade to $1,071 per share from Canaccord. And a Canaccord analyst actually gave it over $1,000 price target, not because they're selling more cars. Tesla will be working through its challenges in supply chain and make enough batteries to cover its automotive needs. But the main dish of the show is the batteries, because selling batteries and all these new home installations in the solar industry will make Tesla a lot of money. Now, Tesla's business obviously is an automotive market, but you got Canaccord analysts predicting that Tesla's energy storage business will be taken off and will become a big part of Tesla's revenue. It could grow to roughly $8 billion by 2025, and it could increase their profit margins and make them a lot of cash. Tesla's divisions are really diverse. You got the autopilot division, car manufacturing, you got the customer service division, insurance, and also last but not least batteries, which is very productive and make a lot of money. There's more profit, and since batteries are one of the most expensive things, Tesla has the right to really increase the price of their batteries. And since battery technology is really hard to research, and Tesla has been researching this for several years at this point, whereas the competitors are just starting, they're in the lead. And you already have the Berlin Gigafactory, which is going to be the world's biggest battery facility, the Nevada Gigafactory, which would be the second biggest battery facility in the world. With these two facilities pumping out batteries, the competition just simply can't get up. Right now, QuantumScape is making a really good battery, and I could say it's just as good as Tesla's, probably even a little bit better, according to the rumors. But QuantumScape is nowhere near a factory. In fact, QuantumScape will be taking another 2 to 3 years to create a battery factory. You can make the best product in the world, but making the factory facility is the hardest thing. And Tesla already found this really sweet formula to pump out gigafactories as fast as possible. At this current moment, they have the Berlin Gigafactory, Shanghai Gigafactory Phase 3, and also the Austin Gigafactory all under construction at once, which is extremely impressive. So we got Tesla's Battery Day, which really shocked a lot of people. Really amazing batteries that are coming out. And they also have the Tesla semi-truck, which also takes a lot. Tesla also has 10,000 acres of lithium-rich clay deposits. And in more recent mining news, they also partner up with other third-party companies for nickel, which is another critical metal for batteries and also EVs. So big things are happening with Tesla, because now they're offering out a new mining division. Tesla entering the mining business is smart, since they're always a step ahead of its competitors. Right now, competitors are slowly inching forward more battery research and battery production. And Tesla's thinking the supplies for all these lithium batteries are going down. So they're now entering the mining business. It's very smart of them. You can clearly see Tesla is always a step ahead of their competitors. When no one was making electric vehicles, they're the ones that really kickstarted it off. And then once people start making electric vehicles, they switch towards focusing more on the autopilot systems, software, and also battery production and improvements. And this also includes the Powerwalls and Megapacks, which are becoming increasingly popular. And then now you got some companies out there offering their own Megapacks, their own battery systems. And now Tesla will be entering heavily into the mining business to secure their own deposit and bank of lithium and also nickel. That's very smart of Tesla, especially how mining right now is not on the minds of several battery companies. It's very awesome. And you also see that Apple is using Tesla's Megapack, and its new technology is mostly based on new energy, storage, etc. And Apple announced that they will be using Tesla's Megapack, and this really shows you that Tesla is probably the only company in the world that could really undertake a project like this. Apple could probably hire someone else to make this massive new battery-based renewable energy storage facility, but they felt like Tesla has a production to actually crank these out at a really fast level, whereas other companies will probably take a very long time. It's very awesome. And it's not just Apple buying a bunch of these Megapacks. In fact, these Megapacks are under massive demand. They actually install Megapacks in the government buildings in the Nigerian government facility areas. And they also install Megapacks in southern Australia to prevent blackouts and saving them millions of dollars. And right now they're installing Megapacks in Texas because of the recent blackout. And these are some really big corporations, institutions, and countries. And they also have installed Megapacks for Israel. So Tesla, they're growing extremely fast. And last but not least, we gotta talk about the Powerwalls, because Tesla is now offering free Powerwalls to people who are gonna be accepting this massive price increase on the solar roof, which in turn is making a lot of people mad. Now keep in mind that there's a lot of Twitter posts out there, complaints about how after the installation of the solar roof, people have waited months and months to actually get in contact with their utility company. It's pretty frustrating, and eventually Tesla's like, this is gonna ruin our brand, so why not offer the free Powerwalls? Because if you have a Powerwall that combines with your solar panel roof tiles by Tesla, you don't actually have to wait for the utility companies. After installation day one, you can actually start storing energy and using it and just becoming totally independent from the grid. And that's pretty awesome. And right now, homeowners are facing tens of thousands of dollars more in costs for the solar panel project. But in turn, Tesla's like, you could get some free Powerwalls or you could cancel. And I'm talking about price hikes between $9,000 to $15,000, which is a very expensive price target. But at the same time, you will be getting Powerwalls, which is one of the most popular items on the Tesla website. Powerwalls, in my opinion, is a must-have for a lot of these big solar roofs. I feel like if you're gonna be getting solar roof, might as well install a couple of the Powerwalls for your home. It's gonna be very, very nice. And I feel like if you're gonna be buying a Tesla, it's essentially free charging 24/7 all day long. It's pretty nice. And as I said before, Tesla is getting really into the battery business, and forcing people to get the Powerwall along with the solar panels is a pretty smart idea to really get them sucked into the Tesla battery ecosystem, which is pretty huge. And so far, Tesla is really doing some odd things. They have increased the price for Model 3, increased the price for solar panels, but at the end of the day, people still love Tesla products. They feel like Tesla probably offers some of the best home products, best cars out there to date. And this is why they're still gonna buy it, even though there's a massive price hike. It's kind of similar to Apple. Even though Apple has increased the prices of their devices over the years, people still buy them because they seem to be very nice products, very refreshing, and has a good ecosystem. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and comment below.